I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is you must move a thousands IB load up a ramp with a 20% grade. What should you do? The correct answer of the question is to move a thousands LB loads up a ramp with a 20% grade, you will need to calculate the force needed to overcome gravity and the force needed to move the load up the inclined surface. Here are the steps to calculate the force required. Calculate the force due to gravity. The force due to gravity on a 1000 lb load is simply its weight. Gravity is equal to weight of the load. The thousands lbs f gravity weight of load is equal to 1000 lbs. Calculate the force required to move the load ramp to the force required to move the load up ramp against the inclines can be calculated using the formula. The formula is given to below. So these totals forces are request the force you need to apply to move thousands LB load up the ramp with a 20% grade. Make sure to choose appropriate units in your calculation force. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask there and ask session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.